Happy holidays, dreamers! Welcome to Dream Free Art. It's Tina here, and today I'm going to kick off the 12 days of Craftsmas here at Dream Free Art by showing you how I make this buffalo check advent calendar. So I purchased 2 unfinished wooden advent calendars. Both of these calendars were really cute and appealing to me in the store, and I needed to do something to really jazz them up. So that's when I came up with the plan to cover them in buffalo check. So first, I removed the plastic from the advent calendars, very carefully to not scratch up the wood. I also purchased buffalo check scrapbook paper, Mod Podge, and a sponge brush. Now it's time to cover the advent calendar with the buffalo check. I'm sure there are a lot of different ways to do this, but this is how I've chosen to do it. I simply laid the scrapbook paper on top of the advent calendar and made a crease where I want it to go. This way it made it a lot easier to cut, and I know it's the right size. See how easy it is for me to just cut on the creases? Now it's time for the Mod Podge. I'm going to apply a generous amount of the Mod Podge directly to the advent calendar. Then I'm going to use my sponge brush and spread it evenly. Next, I'm going to take my strip of the buffalo check paper and apply it to the Mod Podge. And then to finish it off, I'm going to apply a little bit more Mod Podge on top. This way it seals the paper in and it also protects it. Now that all of my sides are finished, I'm going to use this dark gray color to paint the rest of the wood surfaces. I am also going to paint the drawers of the advent calendar white. And since I still had the white paint out, I'm going to go ahead and add the little details to this advent calendar, starting with Santa's beard. This advent calendar also lights up. So remove the plastic and flip the switch, and here it is, all finished. So now that I have completed my first advent calendar, I'm actually going to go ahead and start working on the second one. I still have some buffalo check paper left over, so this time I'm going to do it in reverse. I'm going to cover the faces of the drawers of the advent calendar with the buffalo check paper. I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did previously, but I'm going to do it on the face of the drawer. I'm also going to poke a very small notch in the paper so that way the handle of the drawer can come through. Make the creases on the paper for the drawer face and cut. Trim off any excess paper if necessary. And don't forget to add the Mod Podge. Now I'm going to paint the whole thing with that dark gray color again. And I'm going to cover the sides with more buffalo check paper. And to finish it, I'm going to paint the tiny little handles with the dark gray color. Finally, I'm going to add hand-painted numbers, and the calendars are completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you do so that you don't miss out on crafts like this and the rest of my Craftsmas projects. Until next time, dreamers, bye.